Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. All those children have been working really hard at home in nursery, reception, year 1 and year 2 and posting lots and lots on Tapestry. It's fantastic to keep in touch with you all, see all the exciting things that you are doing, and especially after the last weekend with the snow, it was lovely to see lots of snowy pictures as well. So well done for getting out and enjoying stuff, getting a bit of exercise. So really well done. But very impressive the amount of work that you guys are doing, how you're helping out as well. So, and what I'm hoping for is next week as well, lots of shout outs of lots of children being really helpful at home, helping out mums and dads, helping out tidying up, cleaning up, cooking, whatever that is, washing up. So let's have lots of shout outs next week of really being helpful at home, please, because that's what we'd like to see next week. All right, guys? Now, let's see who's getting a shout out this morning. We're going to start off, you can see the little displays. Look. Lockdown learning, so all the way through school, all the learning that's going on in school, you'll see we are publishing that and putting it up as well. So I'll be able to take more pictures as these displays grow, but you'll see all the children working really hard and all the learning that's going on. So please do keep sending that work in, guys, because then we can fill our displays, and then hopefully eventually when you return to school, lots of you will be able to see lots of your work up and around school. So please keep posting, keep working hard. Here we go, first lot of shout outs. Oh, look at this. Look at these guys, look. We've got Evie, Tyler, Luca, Esme, Rebecca, Esme, Jordan, Levi, Oliver, Omo, Leland, Luke, Daria, Jacob, Muntaha, and Evie. Look at that. I know Miss Hawkins is so proud of you guys and the work that you guys are putting in. You just got to look at the handwriting, the maths. It is phenomenal all the way through. There are so many of you. Please do keep that up, guys. It is so impressive to see the amazing work that is going on right across the curriculum. So really well done, you year 2s. Keep it up, keep posting, and we'll see some of those on our displays as well. Moving on, Miss Cook shout outs. Look at this. Look, you got Alfie, you got Charlie, Rosie, Lee, Mia May, Luna, Gabby, Jake, Robbie, Rion, Ebony, and Casper. Again, look at the range of work that is going on, from self-portraits to the maths, science. We've got spelling shed going on as well. We've got reading, Robbie there reading regularly. Online lessons going as well, Rion there, okay? So it's really fantastic to see you guys working so hard. Well done, you year 2s. Very impressive. Keep it up, keep posting. It's lovely to see that work. So please do keep it up. Thank you. Moving on. Look, said there'd be some snow pictures in there. Hey, so look at these turtles. Look, we've got Oliver, we've got Zara, Bailey, Scarlett, Lily, Lola, and Emily. And I know, so impressive with all the work that is going on throughout again for these reception children. It's lovely to see Bailey there with his golden ticket arrive safely in the post as well. So thank you for that, Bailey. Really lovely to see. Guys, keep up the amazing work. It is fantastic to see from those reception children. So thank you. Moving on. Look out, Miss Marshall shout outs. Look, we've got Ethan, we've got Alex, Olivia, Dennis, Nikita, and Ava. Again, these year 1s working so hard, right across, keeping up with their reading, keeping up with their phonics, keeping up with their maths as well. So really well done, guys. Keep working hard. Keep those smiles as well. It's lovely to see those smiling children. It just helps Mr. Allen smile as well. So well done, Miss Marshall's class. Moving on. Miss Wright, look at these Miss Wright superstars. Look at all of these nursery children. It's amazing. Got Vienna, Ollie, Nella, Arafat, Willow, Josiah, Ruben, Archie, Lola, Phoenix, Letty, Bassam, and Amelia. Guys, look at you guys. Look at the work that is going on. So hard on your numbers, on your colouring, on your drawings as well. So good. Please, guys, keep it up. Nella doing her singing there. Going to be a pop star one day, maybe. So fantastic. And then helping out as well around the house. So really well done, guys. Keep it up. I know Miss Wright's really proud of you all. Keep posting on Tapestry. Thank you. Moving on, look at Sharks. This reception, look at the Shark shout outs. Look, Alinka, we've got Lucas, we've got Ava, Willow, Yasmin, Georgia, Ollie, Mason, Elizabeth, and Esme. Look again, huge, the maths that's going on. Look at the writing that's going on as well. Georgia, love your computer, Georgia. It's amazing. I love that. I want to have a go on that. An amazing work all the way through. So please do keep it up. Everything with the reading, the computer work. Please, guys, keep posting, keep working as hard as you possibly can, you Sharks. It's lovely to see you all working so hard at home as well, so keep it up. Moving on. Oh, look at Miss Begum. Look at Miss Begum's stars. We've got such a lot of stars here. We've got Noah, Scarlett Pownell, Danilius, Rebecca, Vitterus, Caden, Lily, Toby, Sophie, Jack, Anna Maria, Tasnim, Beatrix, Penny and Bartos, again, out in the snow, lovely to see. But look at you guys working the writing, the maths, it is brilliant all the way through, guys. And Penny, I want one of your biscuits, please. That looks amazing. Look at these biscuits. They look amazing, those little ginger biscuits. So really, really well done, guys. Keep up that hard work. Keep working. I know Miss Begum is so impressed with the work that you are doing. So please do keep it up. Right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for all the posts that you are putting on. Amazing shout outs there. Next week, please, let's get some shout outs for being really helpful at home. Get as many helpful things you can do at home. That's making your bed, tidying up, helping with the cooking, whatever that is, please do help out. It's a really, really difficult time for all of us at the moment in lockdown. If we can be really helpful at home, yes, it'll make this time go by much smoother and much more healthier for all of us. So please do help out, do our bit. All of you, I know you can. Let's see lots of shout outs where you're helping out. Maybe doing some hoovering, maybe doing some cleaning, whatever that is. We'd love to see that right the way through on Tapestry, guys. Until next week, bye-bye now.